Major General Gregory Muchamuntu campaign zezerizoba ezokushirra karuru ku mutwaro mu ntebe y'obwa president yazikorera mu district ya Koboko na Maracha ezo mu cyange cya West Nile kandi yatandikira mu town council ya Ombachi abatura omwanya ogu bayoreka ngo nobwe cyanga ecyalango achor na West Nile barabiro mu kuteganisibwa kwinji okwentaro bitu babe cyanga cya West Nile basigire munonge nyuma ombyentunguka.
If you see, Mr. President, West Nile has not recovered from that conflict. West Nile has never recovered, and you can witness it in development, education sector, economics. Yes. You can see West Nile is behind. Okay, it is because maybe the post-conflict recovery programs or initiatives were not rightly placed or they were not there.
For very many years in West Nile, there's that disease of fear, which is installed in our people, especially women. They are even tired of Museveni. But the only thing is, they say, if Museveni will fail, there is going to be a war. Now our people are fearing to run to exile again because they went to exile.
For people in Koboko to have decent life, they must have leaders who are firm, who fight for their interests. Whether they are going to be fought or not, they must stand firm and keep speaking truth to power. When leaders fear to speak the truth to government, they will abandon people. Leaders are like shepherds. A shepherd has to be ready to fight a wolf. When a wolf comes for the sheep, the shepherd has to fight. Because if the shepherd abandons the sheep, the wolf will eat the sheep. True or not true?
Muntu yaraganisa ku government ye erikuja kubombe cyari korro kibase kongera by'obushobozi hagati ya Uganda ni hange rya Democratic Republic of Congo hamwe na South Sudan.
Industrial hub. Kubanga Sudan ene ya urudo rugenda Central Africa. Congo eyo mumambuka. Sonna itamuno ugenda Mombasa. Nabagende Kampala nabagenda Matebelita Mayiga. Nono kye kisoboka nga kubadde ko entambula ennungi nga kubadde ko railway tukiziddwa mu bitundu ne kubawo industries ekitundu kino kikulaakulana amangu.
Muntu kuyargo mu Ombachi yaza hachayi cha Boma kandi okweminyeto yayoreko kwetombwita aha bakafuna abahinduire cyanga cyabe cyoro
amabene batifera ijo dikile mito manikira ijo banambiri anjiki skulu gole agujo mane UP.
When you develop each area and people have got equal opportunities, you also create something which many politicians don't seem to look at: unity of the people as a country. Because one thing you didn't say, it's a psychological thing. West Nile, because of a long time of neglect, at times does not feel as if it is part of the rest of the country.
Muntu kuyargo mu Koboko yazo mu district ya Maracha kandi ko wabireho munyishengero Kasiyano Wadri yamushabira karuro mbantu nuko muntu kutwara umugisha akaraganisa abanya-Uganda okwija kubakora arukora hanshonga zebyamagara otireho no kurwanisa bworo mbantu bo butosha
elene afuzo ke aborisi bale anda ba the minister tajokini ngone abo Museveni asisile ndra ma di bizo ngori ojomega oedio de kilako.
Nde Edwin Ram habga TV West agachenchwire.